Hello everyone, and let me say Happy New Year! Yay! I don't know about you guys, but besides the year of 2013, I don't think I've ever been this excited to leave a year behind. I've even got my little Happy New Year nails going here, just magic pressed by Dashing Diva. You know how I've been doing lately. I've been lazing it up and just putting on these little magic press nails. But that's not what we're here for today. We are here to discuss my 2 new diamond paintings from Diamond Art Club. So I'm learning the best thing for me to do is to never, ever, ever read an email or look at my text messages. Because every time I do it, I am sucked in to something new that I don't need, but they're fabulous. So let me just be honest with this. I have earned so many rewards points that now I can shop and apply those rewards. Money is what it is, pretty much, and get stuff, I mean, like free or just so reasonably priced. And so that's what I did here. And, you know, because I cannot not get the free shipping, I always have to get it up to $75 so I can at least get the free shipping, right? I mean, you know, spend 75, save 8. That makes perfect sense. But this painting right here, this diamond painting, is going to look like this. Now, how stinking cute is that? With that dragon in the air. Oh my gosh. So this one's a really large one. This one is going to be 20 inches by 67 inches, you guys. That's 5 foot, 7 inches, taller than me. So this is the one that I actually went for. And then I saw this one and I thought, God, how beautiful would that be sparkly? You know, that'd be a great paint by number, but this would also be a great diamond painting. This one will look like this. So the first one I'm talking about is the Firefly Fireworks. That is not easy to say, I ain't gonna lie. But that's what this one's going to be. And I don't know why I'm so attracted to this little character. This artist is Randal Spangler, and he does these little, like, I don't know if it's a dragon. I guess it's a dragon. And he has several designs with that little dragon and a couple little dragons, and I just love them all. I don't even know why. So of course, you know, my hoarding brain takes over and it's like, oh, you have to have it, but no, you have to have it now. You know, I mean, it's just, oh God. So yeah, that's how I ended up with this one. And it was regularly an $80 piece, if I'm not mistaken. These are both round drills. And the In Santorini one is gonna measure 24 inches by 18 inches. So we got an 18 by 24 right here. And hopefully it's going to fit pretty closely to my camera size, but this little bad boy, I'm going to have to probably scroll up and let you see him. So we'll start with the In Santorini one first. All right, as we all know, they include the amazing, colorful, sticker-backed information sheet. So this has got your photo on it. It's got the drills, the color, the schematic, the DMC color, and because it's sticker back, this is what I use when I prep my diamond painting kit. So I have done a video recently about how I prep my diamond paintings. You will see what I do with this. Then I also have a smaller sticker that just peels off and can go wherever I need it to go. Last time I put it on the top of the box. Most of the time I just stick it in the box where you can see through, but this is just a handy little sticker for however you store your kits. All right. Of course, we have the tool bag. I'm not going to go into this. I've shown you this so many times. All right. So always want to look at the drills and the canvas. The canvases are fabulous. I have found lots of other fabulous diamond paintings, you guys. I have not gotten anything that is equal to the canvas of a Diamond Art Club diamond painting. This velvet texture, when I roll this out, within a minute, it is laying flat. So it's fabulous. let us look at all these fabulous colors. I mean, it's gonna be cute, just beautiful. Now this one isn't as large as I was thinking, so it's fabulous. I love this size. Personally, a 16 by 20 or an 18 by 24, somewhere in there is a very manageable size. Now, don't get me wrong. I love the bigger ones, like my I Miss You, although it took me 9 lifetimes to do. It is gorgeous. I really want to start working on that grandiose grease that I showed you that one time, last video about Diamond Art Club. And that thing will literally take me, I don't know, at least a century, and with no exaggeration. So this one is more manageable, and the colors are just, yes, that's an adjective. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Let me open this up. So we have our gorgeous colors, and I'm just gonna kind of lay them out and look at these beautiful drills. The colored ones, guys, get me excited. I love the black and white diamond paintings with the pops of color, but the rainbow goodness that we have in one like this, I mean, look at all these shades and tints of blue. I mean, this just is like, it welcomes me. It's like, start me, paint me, you know, that kind of thing. And that creepy voice that I have in the back of my head. Hope none of y'all are psychiatrists or psychologists or therapists of any kind or counselors, because y'all are probably going, this woman has too many voices. Okay, let's look at our Aurora Borealis. So let me get my lights. See if you can see a little sparkle, sparkle. Extra sparkle in the Aurora Borealis drills. They have like this little extra something going on. And that's one of them. I don't know, let's see if we have more than that. Did I tell you guys there's 40 colors in this? I don't know if I did. I got too excited, as I tend to do. All right, that's it for this one. Let's just roll this one up and look at the next one, because I don't want to spend 100 years drooling over this palette. All right, we've got our tools kit. We've got all the other contents that we should have. You guys, that's one of the things about the Diamond Art Club paintings. They are super consistent. You guys know how I am about consistency in product. You know what you're gonna get. Every time you make a purchase, you know that whatever you get is gonna be top shelf. Like, it's gonna be super high quality. Or, you know, I just love a company that has strived, I don't know if that's a word, to be super consistent with their products. I know some of our newer companies with Paint by Numbers, they're still working on getting that consistency. So I'm still just kind of being patient, but Diamond Art Club's been out for a few years, so they've had time to figure out what works and be consistent with everything they do. What I'm gonna do is roll it out as I'm going and roll it at the top where my mount is located. So let me just scroll it up. It's so beautiful. Then we get down in here. Gosh, you guys, this is like rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep that canvas rolling. All right. And see, now we're getting down to our little dragon. And he's so cute. All right, let me keep rolling. Y'all, I thought I was gonna have to stop rolling here for a second, but no. Here's his star jar. And he's releasing the star jar into the sky. So basically, I think the little fireworks are actually lightning bugs that have created a dragon for him. So how cute is this? Now, I know it may not be everybody's style. Everybody's style ain't everybody else's style. I get it. It's okay. But I love to show you the quality of these pieces, if nothing else. So here are the drills. Now I'm gonna lay them out. I don't think we probably will go through all of these drills, because look at how many there are. But delicious, cool palette of yumminess and goodness. I would break my teeth trying to eat these things if I could. Oh my gosh, I know the lights. Dang it, y'all. Okay, so I didn't even tell you how many colors this piece has. Uh-oh, looks like some escaped. No. This piece is gonna have 45 amazing colors. I'm not gonna open all these up. I do see Aurora Borealis right here. Just a little extra something to add focus to the area that's gonna have those on it. So that's it, you guys. Sorry I went through this like a crazy person, but I got so excited. Now, I actually ordered this and got this before Christmas. It took 3 or 4 days for me to receive it. And yes, you heard me right. These guys ship from New Jersey and I'm in South Carolina. So we're both on the East Coast. Did not take long at all. If you guys are in the United States, their shipping is remarkably fast. So for those of you who've been wanting to try Diamond Art Club painting, you can definitely trust this company and you will get it quickly. All right, that is it for today. Thank you as always for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel over there in that little button that's in the corner. If you're on your widescreen, you can see it, and just click it and you'll be subscribed, and then you won't miss my future videos because I have tons of stuff coming up in the new year, you guys. And again, Happy New Year. Yay, 2021. Woo! All right, guys, I will see you back soon. Thanks as always for watching.